Tuesday, week 7, daily language corrections. Let's take a look here. Write an antonym for this word. The word is ancient. So if you weren't sure what ancient meant, I encourage you either to go to the old school book of a dictionary and look up the word so it tells you, or dictionary.com to help you with that meaning. But ancient means old, like antique-y, something like that. So an antonym, which would be the opposite of that, the opposite of ancient would be young, a baby, something like that. So I'm just going to say young. I'll just clear the board. A baby, somebody young. Those would both work. Okay? Infant, baby, young. Okay? Antonym. Number 2 says, circle the word that is not spelled correctly. Not spelled correctly. We have wrestle, whistle, knapsack, and scratch. Many times students don't take the time to look those words up in the dictionary. They just take a guess, and they usually choose a word that they're not as familiar with, and they usually choose this one when it's actually correct. It is whistle. Whistle is not spelled correctly in this sentence, and I would encourage you to look up these words while you're doing this so you make the best choice the first time. W-I-S-T-L-E. Oops, whistle. 3 and 4, let's correct these sentences. Everyone were invited to their party. Well, we know we have to begin this with a capital letter. Everyone is one word. And everyone were is singular, so we're going to make it a correct subject-verb agreement. Everyone was invited to their. This there means like a place. We're talking about possessive. It's their party. Their party, period. Another declarative sentence here. Okay. Number 4, several butterflies and eagles flew overhead. Several butterflies. To make that plural, we're going to drop that Y and add I-E-S. Butterflies and eagles flew overhead is also one word. We'll end that with a period. Now, number 5 says, does this word have a suffix, which means comes at the end of a word, or a prefix, letters that come before the word? The word is impolite. This has been added. The base word is polite. So it is actually a prefix has been added, impolite, and it means the opposite. When you add a prefix to a word, it's going to change the meaning of that word because this base word is polite. If you are polite, you're mannerly, respectful, but if you're impolite, you're opposite of that. You're rude, things like that. And we know you're not like that. That is it for Tuesday, week 7. See you tomorrow.